On a premium Shopify store, the sale isn't lost because they weren't interested. It's lost because you weren't there. A high-intent shopper found your store. They're excited, they're comparing products, reading descriptions, and they have one or two questions before they pull the trigger. In that window, if the experience feels slow, generic, or robotic, the sale disappears. Noem-ai was built for exactly that moment. Our AI concierge agents transform your store into a premium white glove shopping experience, not a chatbot. Closer to a top-tier sales associate who knows your products inside and out. They answer detailed product questions instantly, guide your customers through discovery, deliver personalized recommendations that feel tailored, not templated, provide seamless order support, and know exactly when to hand off to your team for a real human touch.
You also get a weekly executive report powered by our AI sentiment analysis,
real insights from real conversations, performance trends across your store, and a clear action plan to lift conversions. Higher conversions, lower support volume, a more elevated brand. Launch your AI concierge agent at noem.ai.